Hello, if you are wondering if there is a way to check if a device is still charging, then the answer is pretty simple. If we connect the case to a charger, then the LED will of course display the battery that we have currently in our case. And if the amount of battery is blinking, like it does right now, so the last digit is blinking all the time, it of course means that the case is still being charged, and naturally if it reaches 100%, then it will mean that it is fully charged. However, as for the earbuds, the only way to check if they are actually charged is by connecting them to any device. So try to pair them with something, and over here, if you connect them, then you will find the information about the battery. So in this case, the earbuds are fully charged and the battery says 100%. In addition to that, if you close or open the case, you will also see the information about the earbuds themselves. So this is also a way to check the battery. If the lines are going from the left to the right, it means that they are being charged, of course. And if you open the case, then you will immediately see the state of the earbuds, their batteries. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.